Financial freedom, it's available for everyone who's willing to learn step-by-step guidance, better yourself, better your finances. Let me tell you, hi, I'm Marita. Digital marketing, the blueprint program. There's 4 options. It's a $100, $300, $600, $900 program. You buy it once off. There's no overheads. There's no monthly fees. There's no product that must be imported and outported. Nothing. You do everything on your phone 2 hours a day with Wi-Fi. That's it. And guys, it's the best decision that I made for myself, for my children, for financial freedom. Spend more time with my kids. Have more family time. Vacation. Going for a weekend. If you want to learn more, drop a please and I'll gladly help you. I'll come back to you with step-to-step guidance.